Hey class, and so we're back. I just wanted to show you what I'm going to do to fix some of these baking issues that happened on the side of this area right there. Sometimes this can happen if your meshes are not close enough to each other. Also, there could be an issue with the Maya file. So what I'm going to do is actually go check out that area in my Maya file and just see what happens or what the issue is so we can try and diagnose it. So you can see that I've got 2 points here where a bunch of like quads meet. And so that kind of 5-sided point is not really helping. So what I'm going to do instead is try and break up the areas where this geometry meets. So I'm using my multi-cut tool and I'm just clicking around the edges here. And then I'm going to use Command and Delete to delete these extra edges. So everything needs to be a quad. And we want to make sure that we don't have any extra puckering or any n-gons that have 5 sides. So let's just take a look here. I still think it has some weirdness in this area. So I think there's an extra vertice right there. You can see how there's actually 2 edges. So what I'm going to do is select by vertices and grab that little point there and delete it. And you can see that deleted that entire edge right there. So I'm just going to re-multi-cut it. Sometimes when you're working with the multi-cut tool, it's a lot easier to work with the hard surface mode, the number 1, rather than with the number 3 smooth preview turned on. Let's see. So it looks like I've created an n-gon there. So I'm just going to go back and try and diagnose this little section here. So I think what I can do is probably cut from the 2 vertices rather than actually deleting them. Just grab that one right there. There you go. And go to that one and then hit enter. Now we're back in business here. This is looking a lot nicer and smoother. Sometimes though, your model just won't bake properly in Substance Painter, so you can always bake the high resolution to itself. It's not an ideal situation, but if you have like a beautiful, amazing model that you just want to have perfect, rather than necessarily showing it in a game or using it in a game, then it's okay to bake from the high to itself. And I can show you that in the next video. So just also be really careful that there's not any extra vertices hiding out any places. It's always good to turn on vertex mode and just kind of double check. But I think this is looking a lot better. And again, I'm switching back to hard surface mode so I can just, there we go, form that edge loop. All right, so now this is looking a lot better and it should be smoother. I'm going to do the opposite side and then I'm going to bring this back into Substance Painter and show you in the next video how to apply a stylized texture to it. So hope that helps, class. Thanks.